So now that we've finished up, let's take a look here and see what I've done. I've as you can see, I've cleaned up the black lines just a little bit around her face. I wasn't going to waste your time showing you how to, clean up the black lines. There's still a little bit more I could do here, but all in all, this is pretty clean, pretty natural. Added, of course, the red nose. What clown is complete without a red nose? And of course, I've taken her earring out and added the rubber chicken earring, which is always a blast. Of course, a little clown hair and these backgrounds here. This is just a gradient background that I painted in. Let's see if we can take this off a little bit. Take her nose off. I've got that on one layer, earrings on another one, hair is on another layer. As you can see, I've kind of painted this background in really and just added a gradient to it. And then these circles right here were done just using a gradient effect with the rainbow gradient effect with a circle texture applied to it. And of course, there's the shirt. And of course, this is my black outline front of the shirt to wrap around the neck, like so. Just give it a little bit of highlight there, and all the way down. So there you go. And as you can see, we've done actually quite a lot here. So the sky's really the limit in your imagination when it comes to doing this. So here was our original, and here's what we've turned it into. So, do this to your family and friends. They'll probably love it. Most likely they'll hate it. Whatever. Just play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.